Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Alex and I believe we could see here one final drop before Bitcoin goes here absolutely parabolic. And I want to show you today in this episode from which point I believe we could see this final drop and how low we could actually drop here before we see here a further push to the upside. So if you want to know about these levels, then definitely stick around here. Also smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I push out a new important update like this one today. So and now without any further ado, let's get here straight into the content, guys. So you remember yesterday I had told you that we have here this rising wedge, and it happened exactly what I was expecting, that we will come up here to the upper resistance and we will see from there a small rejection to the downside. So now the question is, will we see here further downwards movement back to the upwards trending support of this rising wedge and break it and go all the way down to hit a technical target, which would be here around $37,600, or will we see a breakthrough and a push here into this resistance zone and a move higher here into $44,335, $45,400 respectively. So I believe that we have for the next 2 days to be really cautious here with the Bitcoin price. That's why I closed yesterday my Bitcoin trade, because obviously I had warned you guys also that we are running here into this bigger resistance here and that I will close either partially or completely my Bitcoin position and wait out to see what's going to happen there. We can always reopen our positions, which is not a problem. So, but at least I have taken profit off the table to be on the safer side here. So now let me show you why I believe that we could be here in for some trouble. For this, I will go here first into the 12-hourly chart, because also there I had told you yesterday, here this area is my profit taking range. So and that is lining up more or less with the resistance block that I just shown you guys. So, and you can see here that this candle, this 12-hourly candle that we're having right now is exactly sitting at that resistance level that I was yesterday pointing out at $44,100. So, and the way how this candle looks scares me a little bit. So, and I will show you now why that is. So when we are going here to this example of an evening star, so here you see this candle formation. So you see here we have a big push to the upside, then we have a long stick on the second candle with a small body. So, and here comes now the trick. This can also the stick can be also equally long to the downside. Then it's a doji candle, and the third one is pushing in red to the downside, and then we have a trend reversal back to the downside, at least for the immediate short term. This trend reversal, in my opinion, will be really short-lived, but we could see one. So, and now let me go back here. So now you will understand when we're looking at these two candles here, that only the next candle is missing and could push down here in red all the way back down to like $42,600. So, and then go a little bit further down here. So, and that is a scenario that we have to be prepared for now. So, and that's something that I'm looking out for, especially with the next 12-hourly candle closing in 2.5 hours approximately. So obviously this will be invalidated if the next candle starts out here and continues to push it to the upside, but I'm not so sure about this, because here the stochastic RSI is losing already momentum. We can see here that the trend line wants to roll over, which is never a good sign. That means the buying pressure is decreasing here right now, and that we might be in here for a small correction to the downside over the weekend. So that would be obviously healthy after such a bigger move that we had here now over the recent days. So we moved here basically without any big retracement by 6%, so which is for the Bitcoin price quite a lot. So if we take in consideration here the move from 40, let's even take it last week's move. Let's take here a whole week into account. So a whole week would be, yeah, from here from the 18th. So, and then from here, so that is a 10% move for the Bitcoin price. So that is quite a lot for a week right now. So, and yeah, a smaller correction could be definitely in. So it could be that we just drop down here to this block here to $41,800 approximately. That would be a level that I would be looking out for. If we go to other time frames, if we go here again to the daily time frame, there you can also see that the EMA ribbon starts to flip here. Let me get this away. So you see here that the yellow string is already coming up here a little bit. Let me zoom in here. So there you can see it. Here the yellow string is already on top and just needs to continue to make its way here more to the upside. So and what will happen then is, if this pattern is playing out, in my opinion, the most likely scenario is that we will see then the price rolling over, coming down to retest the ribbon, getting supported, and then continue to move here higher. So now the question is obviously, what do I believe where we will go here in the immediate short term? So in the short term, I believe that Bitcoin will come up here to test the $45,000 area and will also break it and go here into higher levels. Where did I have this? So here on the again on 12-hourly chart, we should not forget that we have here this W pattern. So and technical target is also all the way up here at $48,000. So first $45,000 here, and then $48,000. So and depending on how this candle is closing and the next one is opening, I am then reopening my trade to trade this to $45,000 and respectively to $48,000. So I believe if we break through $45,000 without any major wicks by testing this level and just smashing through it, then we will see really quickly $48,000, and I will obviously leave my trade and also open. So something else that I wanted to show you was here on the weekly chart. Sorry, where's now? Here's the weekly chart. So obviously for this week, I suspect that this candle will close above the crucial level here of $42,500 that I was talking for quite a while here on the channel already. For everybody that's around for a couple of weeks knows that I was talking about this for a long time. So and that we are about to getting here our buy signal on the MACD, this bullish crossover from the blue line over the red line, and that will then lead to here to green candles also on the MACD on the weekly chart, which will then signal that buying pressure is coming back into the market for Bitcoin. So and now let's just measure what happened the last time when we got here this crossover. How high did the Bitcoin price go percentage wise? So if I go here, if I take it from the bottom to the top, then we went up 84%. So now if I do the same from where we are now, so because that's from where we would get this bullish crossover, and we only go up again 84%, then the Bitcoin price is by $74,540. So that would be a new all-time high. So and that's also, in my opinion, the reason why we are also still in a bull trend and have never really left on the macro structure the bull trend, as long as we are getting here these bullish crossovers and they are not fading out. So that means that we are not just rolling over here again and coming back down. So and it doesn't look like it right now. When we are looking here back on the weekly chart, we can see that the $42,500 level was always a crucial level to flip. So when it was here support, here when it became resistance, here again when it became support, and then here again support, here we broke it, and then we retested this in the last couple of weeks, I think 6-7 times. So and now this is the next attempt to break above this and to stay above this. So and if we close this weekly candle like it is right now, which will be most likely the case, then in my opinion the bull market is full on, and we will see here amazing gains in the next coming weeks and also months ahead here. So now let me also show you quickly here our signals channel that we have here. As you can see here, only today we were making here amazing profits on my paid signals channel. So here for APS 6.5%, for Reef 8%, with leverage was even 24%. Here then for near all take profits were hit, that was 19%. Then here Algo 14%, with leverage 40%. So then for GRT it was 13% with leverage, and then here with Anchor it was 42% with leverage on the second take profit point. So and we are playing only with small leverage, only 2 to 3x not over leveraged with, like other channels with 25, 50, even 100x. No, we are not doing this. We are trading with small leverage and still racking in really big gains here on a daily basis. You can see that it was only from today, and the day has not even ended yet. So if you also want to be part of this, then you can go here under my video, in the video description, or the pinned comment to my paid signals group. There is the link to my staff. They can help you out with joining the paid signals group. Obviously it's paid, it's not for free. Or you go to the free channel. There we're exchanging ideas, not signals, but we're talking in crypto in general. So there you're also more than welcome to come around. So, but now obviously, what is the next trade that we can take in the immediate short term for Bitcoin before we go into the next chart? So what we could trade is, if we see here now this candle close like this, in the next starting out in red on the 12-hourly chart and pushes to the downside. So that would be for me the confirmation that we have here an evening start pattern. Then we could trade this to roughly $43,000, so which would be a $1,000 move to the downside. And that would be then with a 10x leverage, with one Bitcoin, $10,000 that you can make here easily on this move. With 25x, it would be $25,000, and so on. So that would be a trade if you want to short Bitcoin that I would be looking out for. Or like I said, I'm looking more out for the next long that I can put in. So, and if I see here the candle instead pushing up in green, then I reopen the position, trade this to around $45,000, reassess the situation if I keep this trade open. If I do, I trade it all the way up to $48,000. So, and if you also want to trade here on a Bybit, which is the exchange that I prefer, or on Phemex, then you can go here also under the video description or in the pinned comment below. There you get right now $8,620 in bonuses with my links. Bybit has upped its bonus to $4,620 only with my link here, or on Phemex $4,100 respectively. Also here, only with my link, you will get this bonus. Actually, it's $8,720. I had a typo here, so sorry for this, guys. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, you know now where the links are. So now let's also have a look here on Ethereum. Ethereum was also exactly as predicted here, moving to the upside. I had told you guys that most likely we will come up here really soon to test the $3,170 level. So we might see this test today. So for everybody that's still in the Ethereum trade that I was calling from all the way down here, congratulations to you guys. So you are absolutely smashing it. Let me actually know in the comments if you were able to catch the trade from the golden ratio zone all the way down here. So if you did, you would be still up almost 21% with a 10x leverage. That would be over 200% in profits that you would be rolling here on your on this trade. So I would definitely had taken some profits along the way. So I hope you did this too. So, but the rest I would keep rolling here to the upside, to the next targets here, because we should not forget we still have here this symmetrical triangle target all the way up here at $3,326. So, and that's not so far away from the next resistance here of 3,355. So we could see here a wick to this level, and then potentially a rejection with some sideways movement, and then actually break through it convincingly and continue to move here to the upside. Guys, that's it already for today's. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching here once again on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you one more time tomorrow.